Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. If you had dulce de leche before, you know how good it is with your churros or different desserts. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to make dulce de leche using a can of condensed milk. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We will be using 1 can of sweet condensed milk. Start by removing the label, then scrape off as much of the glue as possible. Nail polish remover works great with removing the glue. This is important to avoid glue from attaching to your pan. Once the glue is removed, wash the can well with water and soap. Then rinse it and place it in a pan. Fill the pan with water so it sits at least 1 inch higher than the can. Place the pan over high heat and bring it to a rolling boil. Once boiling, lower the heat to medium-low and simmer for 2 hours. Check and make sure the water is always higher than the can. After 2 hours, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Once cool, remove the can from the pan and the dulce de leche is ready. Give it a good stir and enjoy it as you wish. Dulce de leche is great with churros, cakes, over ice cream, even with your coffee. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.